You have so many pistachio shells.
My owl tapestry arrived. We're not. I keep calling anything that hangs on a wall a tapestry when they are clearly not.
that could be a no. It's kind of what are the technical qualifications for tapestry hood?
I feel like it has to be like it's not printed. It has to be. It can be machine woven. It doesn't have to be like hand sewn. But it needs to be woven in some.
Is that printed? Printed on
It's a
silk print? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a tapestry. Or it's just a silk print. Do you have glitter in your hair? I thought I saw a little.
Oh my god. It's been like more than a month.
Have you showered?
I think so. I'm not sure. I was thinking about like the kitchen problem that people have.
Mm-hmm.
That if there was a pool that people contribute